that Carnival on the Road was a hit in Montego Bay at Pier 1. Kejan was on location to give you the highlights.
Cause when I'm fetting off course, hiders do it like a boss. I'm fetting morning and evening. This is my home and not leaving. I can't get over this feeling.
It's all about Digicel and Appleton Carnival on the Road. And this week, we are in Montego Bay. My name is Kejan. Follow me as we bring you the highlights. Pree Dis.
Teeth. Alright, and they're off. And let me tell you, one pack is not to be beaten. And Presley is going at it, but Shark Boss is doing all kind of manipulation. He seems as though he's a seasoned gallus, and he's representing from Montego Bay. He's even doing grab push-ups right now. And Presley is looking up like him and said, Jesus, go make the... Oh my God, Nigel is out of the runnings. Nigel, I can only give you a round. Go and wipe your forehead and cool off. One will take a fresh and come back. And Presley is going at it. And Shark Boss is coming one foot up in the air. And he's going for the goal. And he's pressing low in the position. And all the girls are coming just a bit closer. Because they're saying that Shark Boss seems to be the man. He looks like the leader. He looks dangerous. And let me tell you right now, Presley is pressing low. And Presley is saying, not pop. Oh my God! He's out! All right. Put it back. Let me start over. Yeah. Start again. Ready. Pull up, pull up.
Here am I, I'm look so fine. Turn up the music up all the time. Tell the haters to stay behind. Me know about you, but me know about me. Me I enjoy myself.
One of the people in my mobile will enjoy themselves and them stress free. You're stress free, say la.
This is what Digicel on the Road Carnival is all about.
Got a shape like a Coca-Cola bottle. Why? But this year in the back of my mind, fat girl, me want tackle.
How are you enjoying the party so far?
The party is awesome.
What brought you out here tonight?
Friends, and I heard about it, so I came out to enjoy myself. Yeah. You got me to tell all the way, yeah. Great, Carnival, man.
Well, I don't know it's shot, you know? Yeah, the Carnival, something. You know, we always represent for Carnival. From Trinidad Carnival, Barbados, scrap over Jamaica Carnival. When you say Carnival, you say we, mad dog, early morning.
Well, it's holiday, and we here say Carnival over here. I don't know Appleton and Digicel and all things, so we have to there.
Got a shape like a Coca-Cola bottle. Why? But this year in the back of my mind, fat girl, me want tackle. Don't let me tell you. I want that fat girl, I want that roly-poly, I want that big girl. Do make me my roly-moly, roll fat girl, roll it. Just roll fat girl, roll it. Just roll fat girl, roll it.
I tell you, Digicel and Appleton in a one place, a mad summer. Pree Dis. Everybody out there have a wonderful time. Them come and get them paint. Everybody does feel good and have a good time. Yellow paint, orange paint, red paint. And what I love about Carnival on the street is this. You get a chance all across Jamaica to enjoy Carnival. Gone are the days when Carnival was a Kingston something.
It's a Jamaica thing. We're an inclusive people. Out of many, one people. I want to make sure everybody enjoy themselves. So it's a good move. And you know with Digicel, everything is bigger and better and extraordinary.
Montego Bay has been fantastic. From start to, well, not yet end, but it has been fantastic. Persons came out, they're embracing the paint, they're enjoying the experience that was brought by Digicel and Appleton. I think it has been great. And I mean, this is one of our last out of Kingston stops, so why not end it with a bang? I mean, they're enjoying it, so why not? I want to do it next year. I mean, it's something to look forward to. I enjoyed it, our patrons enjoyed it with all that it came with, because it wasn't just about the party. I mean, we provided great discounts, great experiences, so I think it's something that I definitely would have done next year if I can.
Digicel, Appleton, Carnival on the road, shot. Enough paint, enough girl, enough vibes. I'm Keshan. See you next time.
So here's part 2 of our interview with Dancehall Harsham. Let's check it out.
So me and them don't go man. So me have a brown man. See them don't a town man. Hook up with a brown man.
We have kept some of the stuff that we have done in the past, which is basically quality over quantity. That's my strategy over the years. As far as evolving, you can hear it in my delivery, you can hear it in my lyrical content, you can hear it in the music. You no longer will hear Showtime rhythm. You get what I'm saying? Although you have so much people that's licking it over right now and reproducing it right now, you wouldn't hear back broke out. You're not going to hear back Get a Story beat, but you're going to hear a fusion of different things, and that's how I think we have evolved. Just basically keeping up with what's going on out in the world. You have like 2 different worlds. You'll be in Jamaica and hear all these songs on the radio and in the dances, but yet still when you leave Jamaica, no one knows most of those songs, and that's why most artists cannot really tour, as in real tour. I'm not talking about doing spot dates like tour, and that's affecting our music genre right now because the business has changed. One time it used to be just basically record sales or radio that drives record sales. Now it's a touring fan base that drives record sales, and for you to be on tour you really have to have substance and go out there and work and keep on the grind. Well, as far as evolving as a whole brand and as a genre in terms of distributing our music and our videos, with the emergence of the social medias, we capitalize on all of those. Over the years, we have always been way ahead of the game in terms of promotion, and I strongly believe that. When we were giving away CDs in 1998, and we were the first to bring CDs to dancehall and reggae, in terms of selling singles and CDs. Bug Rhythm was released on CDs, no 45s, no vinyl. We have had so much over the years that you would think that would be the biggest one, the nomination for a Grammy, which we thought they robbed us, 2007. No one else was selling the amount that we were selling, that were nominated at the time. And I thought they robbed us that Grammy. I still want my Grammy, so we're going back for that. That can be one. Forget a Story to be the only song from reggae and dancehall genre to be in 2008 edition of Vibe magazine, top 100 song. It was number 7. That's another major thing. The Rolling Stone magazine for the top 10 song of the year, Forget a Story, to be nominated at number 5. Still I love me girl and play Tony Braxton. Still I listen to about Mikey Jackson. Wow. Pree Dis, the Kid Sham, I'm Too Hot. The video is out right now. The single is out. Download it. Can you hear me? The album, Lawless, coming to you soon. Meadows.
Let's listen up to this accident prevention tip courtesy of Superior Parts Limited while we head on to our 3rd break. We'll be right back.
Some persons prefer to travel at night to avoid traffic, but with this comes certain hazards. Apart from you being tired and decreasing in vision, you need to be aware of joyriding teenagers and drivers who may be tired or drunk. Drive extra defensively at late nights when some persons are leaving bars, parties, or even dancehall sessions. Also, ensure that you do not drive down a dark road with burned out headlights or taillights. This tip is brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.